Most common case to Gmail user as 88% of 15 GB usage. This is my free email plan, and it is showing 88% of usage. But where you said the 88% of 15 GB? So as this email list, there has lots of email read and unread, but that's not I not use 13 GB email. So where should uses my spaces in 15 GBs? Uh, as we go to drive, then also show that it 80% full, and this is not use it 13 GB my documents and share it Pixar. So where should uses uh, this this reason this email address also use it in my mobile phone, and if I go to photos, then I will find a real case, as there's lots of photos what's I'm not shared in Google Drive also another, but these photos uploaded automatically from my mobile phone. So you should delete your photos here, and also uh, you should uncheck your uh, phone to automatically upload all photos and documents to your drive. So thanks for watching the video. If you have informative this video, please subscribe to support me.